Former Winton Global employees gathered today, calling for their share of a pension plan. They were let go after the Winton Global Sawmill shut down in 2008. Employees were offered to keep their money in a pension plan or buy it out, with 25% of the cash delivered in 2016. Picketers say the United Steelworkers, formerly the IWA, told employees they will not be paid the 25%. The workers want the union to develop a payment plan so they're not out tens of thousands of dollars.
That's my hard money. That's my hard money, I want that back, They give the letter, they give the promise. Now they break their promise.